Start. Here is an activity of for learning colors. Here are some unjumbled pictures with respect to these colors. The students will join these pictures of their to their respective colors. Abdul Rahman, where is red color? Help him. Next, where is red color still? Abdul Rahman. What color is this? What color is this?
Red. Red.
Next, Chan Pasha. White color. What color is this?
White.
What color is this?
White.
Next, Ayan. Where is green color? What color is this?
Green.
Next, Sumaya. Where is orange? Orange color. ऊपर से लगाओ. She will do it. Leave. What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Next, Mubashira. Blue. Where is blue color? Fast. What color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Blue. This one. What color is this?
Blue.
Now next, yellow.
Yellow.
Arshia. Arshia, what color is this?
Yellow.
Now I'll ask, what color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
White.
What color is this?
Green.
What color is this?
White.
Next,
Red. Yellow.
say thank you.